This Valkenburgh and Wilkinson Realtors property video is presented by Sarah Lauren Catos. Medical District Convenience+Downtown style details. Renovation designed by architect Frank Nola and remodel by custom builder William LeMaster. The open floor plan, with its distinguishing bowfront window, facilitates entertainment of large numbers of guests and even small chamber concerts. Every inch too has been curated, renovated, and maintained, including new insulation, plumbing, electrical, sheetrock, HVAC systems, heated tile, entertaining features, storage, bathroom renovations, kitchen renovation, hardscapes and more. Fabulous wood paneled library gives a richness that cannot be described. Exquisite porches, fountains, slate walkways, wrought iron, marble, you name it. Must see. For more information,